Good afternoon, good evening, dear parents. Thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. I will make this one very brief and straight to the point today, as I know that the summer period is busy for everyone. Let's get straight into it. Two things that I want to talk about today is, first of all, the different schedule or timetable templates that we've made for you and your children to follow. We have 4 different versions here. I'll start from version 4, which basically covers a schedule for someone who is taking all the crunch time summer session, the non-verbal reasoning deep dive, the Friday or the Saturday session. As you can see, it also allows for short breaks in between the sessions, such that the child can be able to get some rest, do their homework, still do their buffer, watch videos, do consolidatory tasks, have dinner, and of course, maybe catch 30 minutes of TV at the end of the day before they go to bed. That's 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, wherever time. The second one basically focuses on the booster sessions and the Friday or Saturday group sessions that the child would attend. Again, quite similar to the one I've just showed you, and so on and so forth. Third one focuses only on the Friday and the Saturday session. And the last one is something that could be used by those that may not currently be students of higher achievers and are not taking any of our programs. This, again, is something that you can share with friends, family, anyone that you know that is preparing for the 11+ exam. The whole idea of this is that the children will be able to follow a very disciplined or monitored schedule during this holiday, and hopefully with consistency we can see these children shine. This will be shared with you all in an email and also be put on the Google Classroom for the children, so you are able to access this. Now, my suggestion to all parents will be to download this for their child, or you could just go to File, make a copy. So if you click on File, once you open it, click on File, make a copy. That way you would have a local copy for your child on Google Classroom. Alternatively, what we plan to do for each child anyway is to make sure that they can access this on Google Classroom, but they will need to use the version that corresponds to them. So you as the parents can then decide which version you are making a copy of for your child. That's that with the HATC Journey to Excellence for 11+ daily study schedule or calendar. Next one I want to quickly talk about is the 11+ task and video link. This is something that has been on our mind for a while, and by now we believe that you, the parent, have actually seen the result or the report of your children. Now, there will be some areas that we have categorically highlighted in the reports to ensure that the children are able to watch the video of the lessons that relate particularly to the area. What we have done is we have broken every topic across the subjects: maths, English, verbal reasoning, and non-verbal reasoning. So this is the maths tab, this is the English tab, the verbal reasoning tab, and the non-verbal reasoning tab. We have broken down the topics and we've added videos to explain how to approach that topic. Some of these videos are recorded sessions from years back from our lessons. Some of these videos are current videos. However, we've put a link to those videos here. We are not just thinking about the children watching videos alone. We also want them to have consolidatory tasks, meaning a task that can help them to perfect their knowledge in the particular topics. So there are consolidatory tasks for every topic. Say, for example, if your child, let me zoom into this, if your child struggles with factors and LCM, then they watch the video, which takes them to a video that they will only be able to view via the link. You might see familiar faces, hence why this video are not available to the public, but you are able to view them via the link. And then the consolidatory task is here. All you have to do is click on the link. So every topic has a consolidatory task. The same goes for English. We've broken it down into grammar, spelling, writing, vocabulary, comprehension, close, verbal reasoning as well, different types: type A, type B, type C, up to type Z. And each one of them has videos to explain, and of course the Google form or the task from quizzes as well. The same with verbal reasoning. Now, What we suggest to every parent, of course, is that you click on file, just as the instruction here says. Click on file, make a copy. We will not allow anyone to have an editing right to this master sheet. So please make a copy for your child and use them accordingly. If you look at your child's reports, it will give you a better idea of which one your child should focus on right now. If you use this in conjunction with the HATC Journey to Excellence daily study plan that we've shared, we are certain that your child will have a balanced revision material or session for the period of the month of August. If you have any question about this, please do not hesitate to contact us. One last thing that I want to say. Some of the consolidatory tasks, as you can see, are just one per topic. We will work with our team. Putting this together in itself has been a lot of background work, but we will continue working with our team to keep adding more consolidatory tasks. Lest I forget, wherever video your child has watched, once they click watch, it records it and adjusts it automatically. But one thing we suggest is be the one clicking that for your child each time they've watched the video, so you can be able to watch or monitor what your child has completed already. Thank you very much for all your help. Thank you very much for all you do. Thank you very much for all your sacrifices and your commitment to your child's progress. We hope this, in one way or the other, can be able to support your child. And we look forward to seeing them shine and flourish as they prepare for their exam. Thank you very much. God bless. Bye for now.